Everyone, how are you? Hope you're all having a lovely day. Another vlog today to answer one of your questions about the hair system. Today's question is how to make the hair system last longer. When I first got the hair system, I asked Phil, the hair man, I said, Phil, I can't afford to buy a new hair system every couple of months. So what do I do to make it last longer? He used to come to my place to show me how to look after the hair system, and it's easy. Don't leave it on your head for more than 2 weeks. Don't leave it for 4 weeks, 5 weeks. Don't do that. Just take it off every couple of weeks, clean it properly and put it back on again, and then your hair system would last at least a year. I remember my first hair system lasted for like a year and a half, a little bit longer than that, and I still have it and it's still as good because I used to take it off every 2 weeks, 10 days, and it lasts because Phil the hair man, you have a really good quality hair system. If you have any more questions, leave me a comment or send me an email on the email down below, and I'll see you soon.